one road.
One road, that's a one way. How can you say it's a one road? Then which way to get in?
I don't know.
I think we go this way now.
No.
And we need
Ask
to.
someone.
No, which is the way? Manvir may know. He might know it. Manvir.
Last time how we go to the Japanese garden.
Hey, Manvir, wait. Manvir. Where are you running? You know the road?
Yeah, what's that?
Huh?
Not there. There was up there. No.
I think that's the Japanese garden. Guys, wait for me.
Did you want that?
Hmm?
Oh yeah, wait. Down there, see?
What's that?
Bridge fell
Oh,
down.
it's broken, yeah. The railings, the support railings, because it's the wooden bridge. It's deteriorated just because of the rain and the moisture.
Yeah, this way, guys.
No, that will lead somewhere, Manish, and we don't know the way. We get lost. Come back. Where is taking you?
He's going back. Come, let's go.
Going towards which direction?
Let's just go that direction.
Eh?
Huh? No, this one is going to Jelangong.
Let me
Want to climb
see.
up? Climb up or go straight?
It goes that way. He said there's a bridge down there.
Wait. No.
Is it scary? No, come.
Wow. He's taking us back. Let's go.
Hmm?